Aha, it's here, the battery. This is the kind of the big part. This is a heavy box. Well, heavy battery box is pretty light. So, open it up. I've already cut it. And what do we got? Padding, which is good. This is nice. Obviously not environmentally friendly, but who cares? Nice. I need to protect the battery. All right. On the sides, we got some more foam. Oh, for the plug. Fine. I guess I spliced it together myself. That's okay. I got the tools for that. A little manual of how to do that. It's always nice to know how to do something. This is completely in, yeah, there's a little bit of English there. All right, Chinese and English. And, well, let's just open it up. We're here. All right, open. Oh, it is a, a USB. Okay. Okay. Good to know. I don't know where or how I'll use that, but it's good to know. And this must be the charger. Sorry, but okay. Charger. Yeah, okay. As long as it works. QC pass. Quality control pass. Sun cycle. All right. Charger. Charger. More padding. More padding. More padding. Okay. This is the big guy. And anything else in the bottom of the box? Sorry, no. Okay. This is what it's all about. These are not cheap. And they add a lot of weight, but I mean, without it, your electric bike is just a bike. So, definitely protected quite well. Makes sense. Alright, here we go. This is the battery, and we got the keys here. It's, again, now, if you know, they're basically just dozens and dozens of those little tiny 18650 batteries, little lithiums, which they just, add together in series and parallel, and next thing you know, you've got bigger and more powerful batteries. More volts, more amps, more watts. So, alright, I guess it's just my biggest concern is keeping this securely on the bike. It cannot have this fall off, because we'd have no power, and I'd lose a lot of money in my investment. But nice, alright, let's charge it up.